Python is one of the best introductory programming languages because of its intuitive syntax, wide popularity, ease of use, and similarity to other programming languages. This makes it not only easy to learn, but easy to port your Python skills over to other languages you might program with in the future. It's an excellent gateway language. And this is why it was so important for me when designing this course to make it accessible to non-programmers. Of course, there's a wide range of skills between programmer and someone who struggles to get their printer to work. Wait a minute. I struggle to get my printer to work. Can't locate printer, but I put the internet cable in it. Calibrating ink cartridges? It's been doing this for 20 minutes now. Should I try restarting it? I don't know. It seems so busy. What is it doing? What is it thinking? On second thought, forget the printer thing. Well, can you use a file system? You're not intimidated by the Word file system? You know the difference between a .txt file and a Word document? Have you written formulas in Excel? That's a bit like programming, actually. Do you have an idea about how the internet works, getting data from a remote server? Maybe you've written some HTML or you can set up your own router. You should have some computer skills for this course. And if you've done programming before, great. Some of this might be review, but having knowledge about how these concepts work in other programming languages will be a big asset for this course. If you come from a front-end development background, or you feel like there might be some gaps in your computer science knowledge, you've also come to the right place. This course was designed to be viewed sequentially, with each segment building on the previous one, and lots of references to what we did in the past. We're going to be starting from foundations and working up to give you a strong programming background. If you really wanted to dig into Python and understand what makes it tick, you'll get out of this course what you put into it. I especially recommend that you do the challenges. I'm really excited about this challenge project that's built on throughout the course. We're taking a traditional programming teaching tool, the turtle, and flipping it on its back. You're not just programming a turtle robot that's already written for you, you're building its underlying architecture. It's like the difference between learning to drive a car and learning to rebuild the engine. By the end of this course, you should have a documented, multifunctional project that can be reused, extended by other developers, and that you can show off, post to GitHub, talk about in job interviews, whatever you want. And now let's go take a deep dive into Python. If you're serious about learning this language or learning to program, then get on that scuba gear.